Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can turn off end-to-end encryption in Messenger, so let's get right into it. As you can see, I'm currently in my Messenger settings, and you'll arrive here by tapping on the menu in the top left once you get into the app, and then tapping on the gear icon to enter the settings. Once you're here, as you can see, you have all these options, and what you need to do is scroll all the way down until you find privacy and safety under preferences. As you can see, you have a whole lot of options here as well, but under security you'll see the option of end-to-end encrypted chats. You just need to enter here, and here you have again two of these options. You can go into security alerts and manage your security alerts from there, or you can go into message storage. This manages how you can access your chat history and how it is enabled or disabled. So you need to go into message storage, and from here, as you can see, you can turn on secure storage. If I tap on it, I'd be able to turn it on. However, I won't be doing that. However, if you already have it turned on, you can very easily just turn it off by clicking on turn off secure storage. You will have an option, and it is very easy to turn it off like that. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.